Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Tesla. First, let's cover the soft reset, which is perfect for minor glitches or an unresponsive touchscreen. Simply press and hold both scroll wheels on your steering wheel simultaneously. Keep holding them for about 10 to 20 seconds until the screen goes completely black. It will then restart on its own, usually within 1 minute. This quick reset is safe and won't erase any of your personalized settings or data. Next up is a power cycle, a more thorough reboot for when a soft reset isn't enough. To do this, tap on Controls on your touchscreen, then go to Safety and Security, and select Power Off. Once the screen confirms power off, do not touch anything or open any doors for at least 2 minutes. This allows all systems to completely shut down and restart, which can fix more stubborn issues like connectivity or sensor problems. For a complete data wipe, there's the factory reset. This option is found under Controls, then Service, and finally Factory Reset. Be aware that this will erase all personal data, settings, and paired devices, returning your Tesla to its original factory state. You'll need to enter your Tesla account login to confirm this action. It's typically used when selling your vehicle or for severe software problems that other resets haven't fixed. Finally, let's talk about your key fob. If it's not responding, first check or replace its battery, usually a CR2032 coin cell. If that doesn't work, some Tesla models allow you to repair the fob. Go to Controls, then Locks, and follow the prompts to add a new key. You'll typically hold the fob near the center console. This can often resolve issues with unlocking, locking, or even starting your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.